Hey guys, welcome to Oliveboard. This is your mentor Mukesh. So a lot of students having the doubts like whether they have cleared the JIB exam really or not. Why? Because some of you have scored less than 50 marks. In that case, what will be your result? I hope I'm right. So in the case where you have a score less than 50 marks and like you have the 48 marks in one paper, another paper you have 62 marks, did you clear the exam or not? For all these type of the doubts, we have made one JAIIB result calculator. What do you mean by this? It means in this calculator, if you will be entering your marks, this calculator will be showing you the exact result, that whether you have passed the exam or not. Or if you miss the exam, then by how much marks you miss the exam. So everything you will be getting in this calculator. This is really a fabulous calculator. So what you need to do to check your results, just you need to type into Google JAIIB result calculator Oliveboard. What you need to search? JAIIB result calculator Oliveboard. Yeah, Oliveboard result JIB result calculator. Oliveboard JIB result calculator. You can search anyway, but make sure that you type the Oliveboard. So you will be getting into the right link. And this is really a fabulous product which our tech team have designed. Okay, so look into, so once you will be doing the Google search for the JIB calculator Oliveboard, you will be getting the first result, this one, JAIIB result calculator. This will be landing to a blog which is the Oliveboard blog, and here we have everything like passing criteria and everything, whatever you want to look into you can look. Okay, so but I am directly landing to the page where you will be getting the result calculator. So here it is the result calculator. This is the link which will be landing you to the result page. So this will be directly opening this page either in the app or the web. Okay, if you are using this in the mobile, then it will be opening the Oliveboard app and it will be landing you to this particular page. If you are opening into the mobile web or browser in your desktop or the laptop, then you will be getting into the landing into the this page. So just close this banner. At the below, here it is JAIIB result calculator. So you need to click on the check result. If you will click on the check result, then this pop-up will be coming on, and here you need to enter your marks. Let me zoom in. Okay, so here you need to enter your marks. Okay, first you need to select the exam cycle also. Like there are a lot of students who have attempted one paper in the previous exam cycle, they cleared the one paper, now they are attempting the 3 papers. Okay, so you need to select the exam cycle, earlier attempt or the October. All the earlier attempts are the same. You don't need to worry about that which earlier attempt. Okay, you don't need to worry. October 2023, you need to enter here your marks. Suppose you enter 54. Okay, you need to select again next paper. PPB, I assume you are attempting in this only, you attended, you got the 48 marks. Next is this, and you got 46 marks. I'm just selecting the whatever is coming on the way, and in this you got the 52 marks. Okay, so 52, 46, 58 and 54. If you will be submitting this, then your result summary will be ready here. So here is your result summary. You pass the exam. Okay, you pass all the 4 papers. Now let me check. Suppose if I make this 51, then what will be result? Oh, like you miss the overall cutoff. Technically you miss the overall cutoff. Like here you got the 48, here you got 46, here you got 51 and 54. If you will be getting the 2 marks or the 1 marks more, then definitely you gonna clear this. You miss this by 2 marks and you miss this AFB paper by 4 marks. So you can do check in this way. Okay, suppose you attempted this paper in previous attempt, earlier attempt, then you gonna click it, please enter a valid AFB score. A previous attempt has to be more than 50. Sorry, more than 50. Otherwise, if it's not more than 50, then definitely you are gonna write this year's exam only, na, this cycle's exam only, na. That's why we have made it like this. So I have to attempt enter the correct value. Okay, suppose if I make it 60. Okay, now what it is saying? In the previous attempt, then formula would be different, like the cutoff will be 50. So 48 missed by 2 marks. I hope it's clear. So you can check your result. How you can check? Step number 1, open the Google Chrome or the Google browser, type Oliveboard JAIIB result calculator. Oliveboard JAIIB result calculator. First link will be there by the Oliveboard blog. Click on that. That link will be having the again another link to go into the Oliveboard. Okay, and directly you will be landing here. Otherwise, just open the Oliveboard app and tap on the home page. You will be getting it. Okay, there also you will be getting it. Otherwise, you can do this way also. Thank you for watching me. Thank you so much. I hope Oliveboard help you in your preparation and definitely will be helping you more in all the upcoming exams. Thank you. Jai Hind.